Sundarakandam, Chapter 20. Ravana expresses his love for Sita. Sita Devi, dedicated to her husband Sri Rama, was helpless now. She was sitting like an uninterested sage. There was not a single ray of happiness on her face. Ravana wanted to express his feelings to Sita Devi. He started talking in a sweet voice. "O Sita, you are scared of me and do not want to show me any part of your body. I love you. You are very dear to me. You attracted me long ago. You are the world's beauty. Respect me. There are no demons or human beings who conquer me. Why are you scared of me? I desperately want you. Oh Sita, it is okay for the demons to have somebody else's wives. Unless you like me, I will not touch you. Oh dear, love me freely. Please do not be scared of me. I do not like your sadness, messy hair, dirty clothes, sleeping on the floor, and improper eating. Oh Maithili, Sita, please look at me. Dress up, have all kinds of perfumes, spend time with the best of music, entertainment, and sleep on rich beds. You are a diamond among ladies. You should not be like this. Decorate your body beautifully. Oh Maithili, you have come to my palace and you do not have any ornaments. How does it look like? Your youth is getting wasted. Water that is gone with the flood will not return. O Vaidehi, Brahma created many people, but after creating you, he could not create another one similar to you. There is no beauty that surpasses you. If Brahma saw your beauty, he would also fall in love with you. There is no man who cannot love and want you. O Sita, every part of your body is ever more beautiful. My eyes become fixed no matter where I gaze on your body. Please, Maithili, be my wife. I have won many girls and brought them here, and all of them have become my wives. Leave your stupidity. I will make you the first queen in my kingdom. I will give you my kingdom and all my wealth. I will give the entire earth to your father, King Janaka. No one can defeat me in battle. Think about my enormous valor." Ravana continued, "Sita, dress up beautifully. Love me. You can go freely anywhere you want to go. Freely spend all the wealth. Order me to do anything you want. Think of how happy your relatives will be when you have so much of wealth. Oh Sita, how can you be happy with Rama who wears tree bark? He does not even have any wealth. He has no success. Rama is roaming in the forest. He sleeps on the floor. Who knows if he is still alive or not? If clouds cover the moon, you cannot see the light. In the same way, Rama cannot see you while you are here. Hiranyakashipu could not bring back a stolen wife from Indira. He needed Narada to help. But I stole you and brought you here, and there is no way I am going to return you to Rama. Oh Sita, your smile, your beautiful eyes, your entire beauty is tugging at my heart. Looking at you in such a poor state, I am not able to enjoy my other wives. It is bothering me. You can rule over them. They will all serve you. Rama is not equivalent to me in any way. He is not even comparable to me. Live with me happily. All your relatives will be then with you. Stay with me in gold palaces. freely roam about the beaches and the gardens and enjoy your life?